Hi, good morning. So we are heading to Kathmandu to Lukla airport for the Everest Basecamp helicopter tour, 4 hours landing at the Kala Patthar. So this is the Everest Basecamp helicopter tour. Is the one-day program that takes you from Kathmandu to base camp, top of the old highest mountain, Everest Basecamp, at 5,346 meters. The helicopter will land at Kala Patthar, a popular viewpoint. The landing chance is provided at Kala Patthar, 5,545 meters, and at the Hotel Everest View, 3,880 meters, for the finest view of the Mount Everest. The surrounding landscape is totally very beautiful. It takes 4 hours around to complete. So major highlight of this Everest helicopter base camp tour. Major highlight of the Everest Basecamp helicopter tour. Kathmandu to Lukla helicopter flight. It's a beautiful view of the alpine green forest through the beautiful Jiri Valley. A nice view of the Tenzing Hillary Airport. And nice view of the Nuptse Bazaar, Tengbuche Monastery. And nice view of the Khumbu glacier and Everest Basecamp, Lhotse Valley. Everest Basecamp helicopter tour viewpoint as landing at Kala Patthar. And high mountain of the Everest region, including Mount Everest 8848 meters, show you Ama Dablam, Kangru, Umuri, Nuptse, Lhotse, and many more mountain we can see more than 6,000 meters high. Breakfast in the Everest View Hotel with the beautiful view of the Mount Everest. So best season to go Everest Basecamp helicopter tour, January to July and September to December. So itinerary for Everest Basecamp helicopter tour: first Kathmandu to Lukla and fueling at the Lukla airport, and the helicopter will fly from Lukla airport to Kala Patthar to landing, and there will be stop for like 15 to 20 minutes for take photo and video to see the beautiful mountain view. And helicopter will fly back from Kala Patthar to Sangbuche for the breakfast to the Everest View Hotel to see the Mount Everest view. Then after, helicopter will fly from Sangbuche to Lukla airport to the fueling. Then after, helicopter will fly from Lukla to Kathmandu airport. This trip you can share, so to go to Everest Basecamp helicopter tour, you can go to charter by helicopter. Also, we are organizing this trip, group joining also. If you like to go, please contact us.